They buzz, crawl, and sometimes give us the chills, but did you know that many insects actually help us in amazing ways? Yep. These tiny creatures play huge roles in keeping our world healthy and running smoothly. Let's explore some super helpful insects. You might never look at bugs the same way again. 1. Honeybees, nature's busy pollinators. How they help. Bees are like tiny farmers. As they fly from flower to flower, they spread pollen, which helps plants grow fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Thanks to bees, we get apples, watermelons, almonds, and even chocolate. They pollinate cacao trees. Fun fact, 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollinators like bees. 2. Ladybugs, garden guardians. How they help. Ladybugs are bug-eating heroes. They gobble up pests like aphids, tiny insects that harm plants. Farmers and gardeners love ladybugs because they protect plants, help avoid using chemical sprays, keep gardens healthy and green. Fun fact, one ladybug can eat over 5,000 aphids in its lifetime. 3. Silkworms, clothing creators. How they help. Silkworms spin silky threads to make their cocoons. Humans collect those threads to make beautiful silk fabric. Thanks to silkworms, we have silk clothes, fancy ties and dresses, even parachutes and medical stitches. Fun fact, it takes around 2,500 silkworms to make one silk shirt. 4. Butterflies, beautiful pollinators. How they help. Like bees, butterflies also spread pollen while sipping nectar from flowers. Why they matter. Help wildflowers grow. Support fruits and vegetables. Add beauty to nature. Fun fact, monarch butterflies can fly up to 3,000 miles during migration. 5. Dung beetles, nature's cleanup crew. How they help. You alert. Dung beetles clean up animal poop by rolling it away and burying it. Why this is great. Keeps the ground clean, helps recycle nutrients into the soil, prevents the spread of disease. Fun fact, some dung beetles can roll poop 50 times their own weight. 6. Ants, soil builders. How they help. Ants dig tunnels in the ground, which aerates the soil. This means it's easier for water, air, and roots to move through. Benefits of ants. Help plants grow. Clean up crumbs and dead insects. Work together like a tiny army. Fun fact, leafcutter ants farm fungus underground using leaves. 7. Fruit flies, science helpers. How they help. These tiny flies may annoy you at home, but they are superstars in scientific research. Why scientists use them. Easy to study genes and cells. Help in understanding human diseases, discover medicines and treatments. Fun fact, fruit flies share 60% of their DNA with humans. Insects, small but mighty. So next time you see a bug, don't just say you. Some of these creepy crawlies are working hard to help humans and the planet. From pollinating plants to cleaning up messes, these tiny creatures do big jobs. That's all for today, superstars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And drop a fun comment, I love reading them.